Hello, beautiful people. It's T, a girl, Oma-boss. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping over, you are welcome. But if you are a returning viewer, you are welcome too. So today the news where we carry on, not be good one, no, not be better one. Our popular comedian AY's building was last week involved in a fire accident. Almost things worth millions of naira was destroyed. His beautiful house, the properties, the clothes, the shoes, everything was razed down. But thank God no life was lost. As of the time of making this video, the cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe.